Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much that you are giving a lot of love to my YouTube channel, and the people are using my techniques and they are getting the results and they are getting their ex back, love back, or their wife or husband back in your life. And I'm making many kinds of love spells to solve your all kind of problems. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us on our number. That +91 is the code of India. This is the number where you can contact to me. The +91 is the country code for the India. It's 84274073 Friends, today I'm going to tell you a tremendous love spell that would help you out to solve your love problems. To do this love spell, you have to follow these steps as I'm going to tell you. You have to make a box like this. You have to made a box where you can write your and your lover's name. You have to write your lover's name here, like for example, his name or her name is Simit, and that person is 34 years old. What you have to do now, you have on the down of that you have to write your name. For example, your name is Seema and you're 32 years old. You have to write it as it is, that I'm telling you. Then you have to write these words. These words are tremendous and this would work magically for your love spell. Kamini, Hilam, Bilak, the same, Pilam. These are the words you have to write as it is, as it. And what this is a very crucial part of video. What you have to do, you have to make a heart shape on these words like this. You have to make these as it is. After, what you have to do, you have to do this for 21 times. And the days for this love spell is Tuesday, Saturday, and the Sunday. These days and 32 times, the 32 times you have to do this love spell. While doing this love spell, if you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us the number that is showing the top of the screen. You can call us on this number and you can get the solution of your love as well. If you don't want to do this love spell, you want that I would do that for you, you can call us on this number and I will tell you how we can solve this problem. Thanks for watching our video. See you soon. Bye bye.